What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again. I've got an unboxing video for you, boys and girls. Currently a little under the weather right now, so there's going to be a lot of coughing in this video, more than likely. And I probably sound a little weird as well. But let's open this up. The things you do, right? Like showing off things to you guys. So gotta keep doing what I'm doing. Try to open this up here. Alright, so this amplifier I bought because the price was right. I always say the price is right. But this isn't a amplifier that I would normally end up buying or collecting, because I'm not really into the whole chrome and all that other stuff. Excuse me. But this is a chrome 250.2. Try to open this up real quick. I'm just going to cut this right through here. And we're going to throw that away over there. It's starting to get colder here too, so I'm going to start noticing the gloves being pulled out. This one. It's packed pretty good. No end caps, but that's okay. I gotta adjust my microphone here, because for some reason I wanted to flip over and I didn't know if you guys can hear me or not. Alright, so now it's missing the plugs. At some point in time, it looks like it may have been a pawn shop amp. I only say that because it's got these void stickers down at the bottom. So it looks to me like at some point it's obviously been opened. Missing the plugs on it. Well, I don't know. These warranty stickers appear to be... Let me bring that in here. Come on now. There we go. They look like they may be intact. It's hard to say. Well, it looks like they are. This one here. It's hard to tell with these. Sometimes they crack right in line of where they would be separated. But this is chrome. Whoa. Not in focus, guys. There you go. Chrome 250.2. I'm going to end up taking this and I'm going to clean it up, throw a little mother's polish on it, see how it looks. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So I was thinking about maybe linking it together with another amplifier that I have, but I don't have any other chrome amps. So anyway, quick overview of the amplifier. We have speakers. We got left side, right side. We got our balance input, our gain control for left and right. This is our phase, in phase, out of phase, so 180 out, 180 in for both left and right. Then on this side, this being since it's a punch, we've got our, it's not a punch, it's a power. Two 8-gauge inputs and then two 8-gauge grounds. It does still have the PSD1 port on it, which is nice. That's one thing that I kind of like, is that you can buy these amplifiers and use the PSD1 ports or PSD1 displays with them, even though they're the newer style. So, and usually these are cheaper as well compared to the DSM style, like a 500M or 250 X2. So, if you have any questions, give me a holler. Let me know.